plus tan of B, I'm writing as it is, numerator. Correct? Next, not 1 by tan A, just I'll go to the denominator, Shravan. See, denominator cot B is there, no, can I write this one as 1 by tan of B plus cot A we can write as 1 by cot of A. Why, tell me, how to cancel this one to get this one? Correct or not? To get this one cot A tan B, how to cancel this one? No, so I'm converting cot B as 1 by tan B, tan A as 1 by cot A. Now take the LCM here. I'm continuing this one here. Cot of A plus tan of B divided by, if I take the LCM, cot you have to multiply it here, tan we have to multiply it in the second term. So cot of A plus tan of B whole divided by tan of B into cot of A. Correct? If I take this one on the numerator, reverse, no? So both are get cancelled. So remaining is what? 1 by tan B into cot A taken on the numerator. So we'll get the answer cot A into tan B. Clear? Clear? Simplify secant theta into 1 minus sin theta. Next, into secant theta plus tan of theta. We have to solve this one. Secant theta into 1 minus sin theta and secant theta plus tan sin theta. So how we solve this one now? Tell me. We have to simplify this one. How you have to simplify this one? Anyone? How to simplify this one? So secant we write as what? Secant A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Yes, good. But we have to simplify first, no? Secant we can write as what? 1 by cos of theta, 1 minus sin theta as it is. And this one secant theta we write as 1 by cos theta plus tan theta we write as what? Sin theta by cos of theta. Sin theta by reciprocal relation. Okay, answer is what? 1, Anirudh. We'll check. So now, so LCM is cos only, no? This is in the form of A minus B into A plus B then. So see, I'm writing 1 by cos of theta into here remaining is what? 1 minus sin theta. When you take the LCM, remaining is what? 1 plus sin theta divided by what? Cos of theta. So apply A plus B into A minus is what? A square minus B square. 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is what? 1 square minus sin square theta divided by what? Cos square theta. So it is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So cos square theta get cancelled. The answer is what? 1. Okay. In the same way, we'll move on to the next one. In the same way, we'll move on to the next one. Just apply the trigonometric ratios here. Huh? Just apply the trigonometric ratios. Next. Prove that secant square of A plus cosecant square of A is equal to secant square A into cosecant square of A. Correct? Secant square of A into cosecant square of A. So here what you have to do? Just take the reciprocal of this one, no? Correct or not? So LHS side, secant square we write as what? 1 by cos square of A plus cosecant square we write as what? 1 by sin square of A. Now you can take the LCM. Okay, reciprocal LCM, good Anirudh. We'll get what? Sine square, we have to multiply it here. Sine square of A plus cos square of A divided by cos square of A into sine square of A. So as we know that the identity formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1, no? Correct? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So remaining is what? 1 divided by, remaining is 1 divided by cos square A into sine square of A. Just take the reciprocal here. We'll get 1 by cos square is nothing but what? Secant square of A. 1 by sine square is nothing but what? Cosecant. Prove that. Prove that tan A divided by secant of A minus 1 plus tan A divided by secant of A plus 1, which is equal to 2 cosecant of A. 2 cosecant of A. Can anyone tell me how we solve this problem? So here they ask to prove that tan A by secant A minus 1 plus tan A by secant A plus 1. Yes, good, good, right. We have to take a LCM. So directly I'm solving this one. See, LCM, LHS side. So LCM is what? The LCM is secant of A minus 1 into secant of A plus 1. You can write directly secant square A minus 1 also, huh? So then you have to multiply this one here and this one this side. So tan of A into secant of A plus 1 plus tan of A into secant of A plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Correct? So in the numerator, what is common in this? Tan A is common. So I'm going to take tan A as a common in the numerator. So remaining is what? Secant of A plus 1 plus secant of A minus 1. So divided by what? A minus B into A plus B is what? A square B square is nothing but secant square minus 1. Secant A minus 1, secant A plus 1 is what? Secant square of A minus 1. So can anyone tell me? So here, see, 1 and 1 get cancelled. So remaining is what? Tan of A into secant of A. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is secant square A minus 1? What is secant square A minus 1? Identity formula we have to apply here. So what is secant square A minus 1? Yes, good Anirudh. Tan square A. So we are writing that one as tan square A. Then one tan and tan get cancelled. Can I write? Remaining is what? Secant of A divided by what? Tan of A. Or we can write 1 by tan is a cot. Correct or not? Cot. And secant we can write as what? Cos. So or directly you can solve this one. Huh? Cot means what? Cos A by sine A, and this one 1 by cos A as it is, both are get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by sine of A, that is nothing but what? Sorry, I forgot to write this one, no, 2 times. So how to write that one? 2 times, no, we'll get here 2 times of secant x. So 2 times of cosecant of, so the fifth one, prove that square root of cosecant theta minus cot of theta divided by cosec theta plus cos theta, cosec theta plus cot theta, which is equal to sine theta by sine of theta by 1 plus cos of theta. Okay. Now tell me how I'm going to solve this one. How will solve this one problem? So just LHS side, they have given this one. So I'm writing that one. LHS side, they have given what? Root of cosecant theta minus cot of theta divided by cosec theta plus cot of theta. So can anyone tell me how you have to solve that one? Yes, good. Rationalizing the numerator and denominator, correct or not? By taking, yes, good. Yes, good, good, good. Nice answer, huh? Almost all are telling that one. Good, nice. So we have to multiply it with what? We have to multiply it with, so see the denominator here, plus is there, no? So minus we have to take. So cosecant theta minus cot of theta divided by cosecant theta minus cot of theta. Okay, so we know that the this one, no, loss of indices here, both the power is same. A to the power of m into b to the power of m, we can write as ab to the power of m, no? Correct, ab to the power of m. So we can write root in, okay, root as it is. So inside see, cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta minus cos theta, we write as what? Cosec theta minus cot of theta the whole square divided by next, this one is what? A plus b into a minus b, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Correct? Okay. Now, what is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta? Yes, root will cancel, but we have to calculate first this one, no? Correct? Yes, good. Anirudh, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Okay, now I'm cancelling root and square. So remaining is what? Cosec theta minus cot theta. Next step. What are the next step? So we'll write this one as 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. Correct or not? A square minus b square. Which one, Shraddha? We have to apply a square minus b square, you are telling? This one clear? Correct? Take the LCM. We'll get what? Same sine theta is there. 1 minus cos of theta divided by sine theta. But we want the answer sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. What is the next step? Here we got the answer 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. No. But they asked to prove that sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. What is the next step? Yes, good, Anirudh. Once again, we have to rationalizing by what? 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta is there. Now you can check here. The sign minus is there, no? So multiplied, rationalizing by what? 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Correct or not? Okay. Now apply a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 and cos square theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos of theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but what? Sine square of theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos of theta. Sine get cancelled. Therefore, the answer is sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. Correct? So next one, prove that 1 by cosecant A minus cot of A plus 1 by cosecant A plus cot of A, which is equal to 2 by sine A. 2 by sine A. Okay. So same thing, we have to take the LHS side and prove the RHS side. So now tell me, we are going for what? We are going for what? Yes, good, Prithvi. We are going for the LCM now. So take the LCM here. What do you get the LCM? So directly I'll write A minus B into A plus B is nothing but what? Cosecant square A minus cot square of A. So this one you have to write here. Cosecant of A plus cot of A plus, and this one you have to multiply in the second term on the numerator, that is cosecant of A into cot of A. Sorry, plus minus cot of A. So here plus cot A minus cot A get cancelled. Plus cot A minus cot A get cancelled. Yes, good. Yes, Anirudh, good. We'll get what? Cosecant of A by, what are this one? 2 cosecant of A by 1, no? So 2 cosecant A we can write as what? 2 by sine of A. So this is the required answer. Sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant square plus cosecant theta the whole square, which is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta the whole square. Okay? Yes. Okay, just I'm recalling that 1/10 only. So, okay, so move on to the LHS side. So, what do you have to apply here? Tell me. So, it is in the form of A plus B the whole square, no? Just expand that one, A plus B the whole square. So, sine square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 times of sine theta into secant theta plus same it is cos theta plus cosec theta the whole square. X good, Shilpa. We have to expand that one. Identity formula. Good, good, nice. Identity formula also we have to apply. So cos square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 times of cos theta into cosecant theta. Then next, so this one and this one. What will get then? 1. Yes. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Directly I'm going to write that one as 1 plus this term is there, no? Secant square. Can I write this one as 1 by cos square theta? And same thing, cosecant square is there, no? I'm writing that one as 1 by sine square theta. Correct or not? Yes, good. Next, plus in this also, see, in this 2, what is common? We can take 2 as a common. We can take 2 as a common in this 2. I'm taking 2 common. So sine theta I'm writing as it is. As we know that what is the reciprocal of sine theta, secant theta? That is what? 1 by cos theta. Plus then here I'm writing cos theta as it is. Cosec theta reciprocal is what? 1 by sine theta. Okay. Now take the LCM. 1 plus the LCM is what? Cos square theta into sine square theta. Sine square comes here. Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus this one what we get here? What do you want the answer? 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. So just you take the LCM for this one. The LCM is cos theta into sine of theta. So sine you have to multiply it here. So sine into sine is what? Sine square theta plus cos into cos is what? Cos square theta. So that is 1, no? So what is remaining now? 1 plus 1 divided by cos square theta into sine square theta plus 2 times 2 divided by, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 2 divided by cos theta into sine theta, or else we can write this one as 1 plus this cos and sine reciprocal. We know that, no? When I take on the numerator, it is what? Secant theta, secant square theta and into cosecant square theta plus 2 times of 1 by cos means secant, 1 by sine means cosec. So 2 times of secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay. Now you can check this one is in the form of a square plus b square means b is secant theta cos theta plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into secant theta cosec theta. If x equal to cos of alpha into cos of beta, y is equal to cos of alpha into cos of beta into sine of gamma. And same way, z is equal to cos of alpha and sine of beta. And t is equal to and t is equal to sine of alpha, sine of alpha. Then show that x square plus y square plus z square plus t square is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So they have given x equal to what? Cos alpha cos beta, and y is equal to what? Cos alpha cos beta and into what? Sin gamma, and z equal to what? Cos alpha sin beta, and t is equal to sin of alpha. Then we have to show that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now see, I'm substituting and scoring this one. When I'll put in the place of this one, we have to show that LHS side equal to the RHS side answer. LHS side I'm writing. In the place of x, I'm going to put this one value, cos alpha, cos beta. If I score, what do you get? Cos square of alpha, cos square of beta. Correct? Plus y square. Y is what? Cos alpha, cos beta, sin gamma. Correct? Score that one. What do we get? Cos square of alpha, cos of beta, and what that one? Sine of gamma. Square we have to do, no? Square. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, sine square gamma. Plus z square means what? Cos square of alpha into sine square of beta. If I square this one, we'll get cos square of alpha, sine square of beta, plus the last one is what? T square, that is sine is there, sine of alpha, so sine square of t. Now tell me how you have to solve this one. I have written all the correct, no? I substituted x, y, z, t value and squared. So next is what? Can you check in this two? What I'm going to take common in this? In this two, what I'm going to take common? Sorry, I forgot to write here. One more is there, that is what? Cos of gamma. Huh? That is cos of gamma is there. So we'll get here. Sorry. Cos square of alpha, cos square of beta, and one more is what? Cos square of gamma plus. Okay. Okay, just correct it, huh? This one. Correct it. This is what? X equal to cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and y equal to cos alpha, cos beta, sin gamma. Z equal to what? Cos alpha, sin beta, and t equal to sin alpha. Now it is correct. I substituted. Now tell me what I'm going to take common in this. What I'm going to take common? Cos square alpha common. Cos square beta. Yes, good. Cos square alpha and cos square alpha and cos square beta we have to take as a common. Remaining is what? Cos square of gamma plus sine square of gamma, and this one as it is we have to write, that is cos square alpha sine square beta plus sine square alpha. So as we know that this one is same only, correct or not? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, no? So this become 1. So remaining is what? Cos square alpha into cos square beta plus cos square of alpha into sine square of beta plus sine square of alpha. sine square of alpha. So now tell me, in the first two term, what we are going to take common? In this two term, we are going to take what? Cos square of alpha taking common. Remaining is what? Cos square of beta plus sine square of beta plus sine square of alpha as it is. So this is nothing but what? 1, no? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So again remaining is what? Cos square alpha plus sine square of alpha. That is what? Answer is 1. Answer is what?